How to find and delete all viruses on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get rid of your viruses on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if your iPhone has been acting strange or weird lately, and if you're sure that it's a virus, but you don't know how to clean it, this is what you'll need to do. So it's quite hard to get viruses on your iPhone since it has a lot of security. But if you do get it, you can remove it as well. So first you'll need to check for any unidentified or any unwanted apps that you have present in your device. So let's say that this is an app that I don't want, or this is an app that is unnecessarily here which I didn't download. All you have to do is delete the app. Long press on it, tap on remove, and then tap on delete. Confirm it, and the app will get deleted. Similarly, you can also start clearing out your browser's data. So simply you can go to your settings, scroll down till you find apps, go to apps, and then search for Safari. And after you find Safari, you can open that up, and right here you can see the option to delete or clear everything out. So you can clear website data and history. You can clear that out. You can head over to advanced, go to website data and clear out the website data as well from here. And after you've done all that, and if after you've cleared out your apps, any suspicious apps, you've cleared out your Safari's data, removed any unwanted subscriptions as well. After you've done that, if you're still facing the issues, you'll need to head over to your settings again, and you have to reset your settings. So let's do that. Let me go to settings first. Right here, go to general, go scroll down until you find transfer reset iPhone, tap on it, and from here reset your settings first. Reset all of your settings, and if things get bad, you can simply erase all contents and settings as well. So make sure that everything has been backed up and simply delete it. And that should remove the virus as well. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.